123.456 to the nearest 10. So let's rewrite that. 123.456 to the nearest 10. The first thing you have to do is know the place value of your numbers. Okay, what are these numbers standing for? Now note this: 123 is a whole number. Is a what? Is a whole number. Why 456? Any number after your decimal point is pronounced 1 1. Okay, so these are your decimal numbers. Are you with me? These are your decimal numbers. This is your whole number. Your whole number begins with units. Remember when you were in primary school, when you are adding in units, tens, and hundreds. So this is your units, this is your 10, and this is your hundreds. Units, tens, hundreds. Okay? Now after your decimal points, here is your tens. Your 4 is represented tens. TENCH. 5 hundreds. 6 are 6,000s. Are you with me? So this is your tens, your hundreds, and your thousands. Now after you must have known this, then you don't have much problem anymore. Now go back to the question that says round 123.456 to the nearest tens. Now which is tens here? 4 is the tens. Good of you. 4 is the tens. 4 is the tens. Now in the rule of approximation, you will need to use the next number after your target. Your target is the tens, okay? So in the rule of approximation, you will need to use the next number after your target to round off to these tens, okay? So note this: any number from 0 down to 4 is round off to 0, okay? Any number from 0 to 4, you round off to 0, and any number from 5 to 9, you round it off to 1. Now, which number follows these are targets, which is tens, 4 tens? It is 5. So do we round it up to 0 or do we round it up to 1? We round it up to 1, right? Now that we've rounded it up to 1, we will be adding that 1 to our target. Our target is what? Our target is 4. Okay? So now let's go back and rewrite this. 1, 2, 3.4 plus the 1. After rounding up this 5, you know, you round up 5 to 1, right? So 4 plus 1. What is 4 plus 1? 5. Isn't it? Isn't it? 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we've already used this 5, and any number you made use of, any number you round off, will automatically change to 0, and anything after that, you don't need that. So the rest will change to 0. Are you with me? Now, don't forget, any 0 after decimal points will not count. So, hence, my answer is 123.5 to the nearest tens. My answer is 123.5. Again and again. First of all, know your values of the numbers you are given. Units, tens, hundreds, tens, hundred, thousands. Now, you are rounding up to the nearest tens, which is the 4. Which number follows the 4? 5. Do you round up 5 to 1 or you round it up to 0? You round it up to 1. So add it to that target, which is 4. So 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 3, 2, 1. You write the rest down. Why? The number you use in rounding up, and any number that follows it becomes 0. Okay? They become 0. And I said I'm having 123.5. I'm going to remove the zeros because they do not count. When you are having 23.00, you are still saying 23. Alright? So 123.5 is our final answer. But if there is no decimal point here, please don't cancel your zeros. Okay? So there is a decimal point, and why my zeros are not there? Now do this for me. Do this. Round 376.2456 correct to the nearest. Try the nearest hundreds. To the nearest hundreds. And tell me what your answer is in the comment section. Bye.